Hi guys, it's Miss Jen again, and we're going to do another project today, and this one is kind of a shaker pumpkin. You can hang it up or put it on a wall or something, whatever you want to do. Okay, so in your packet you should have gotten some kind of punch shape. Now you don't have to do a pumpkin. You could do, in this case, I made them blank so you could do your own thing. I made an apple with this one, and I put a little worm in my apple. Okay, I'll make it kind of fun. All right, so you can color whatever you want. I colored a pumpkin in here, and I colored an apple in this one. So, okay, so you should have two pieces that have hole punches in them, and you should have some string and some beads. Okay, we ran out of those beads, so Miss Jen's going to use different beads, but it's okay. Okay, now I'm going to make sure all your holes are lined up. Okay, on your card, make sure the holes are lined up. And you're going to take your string, and what I found is that if I kind of tape the end, it makes it easier. We're going to sew the card. Okay, we're going to sew this card. So I'm just going to put a little piece of tape on here, and I'm just wrapping it around the end. Okay. All right. And there you go. See, like a shoelace. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of start on the side here, I think, a little bit. Yeah, I think I'll start on the side. And I'm going to pull it through. Okay. And then I'm going to make a knot. Alright, I'm going to make a knot. And it's just a simple knot. Okay, you see that? It's blaring in there. Okay, turn it maybe a little bit. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to make a knot. Just a regular knot. And I think I'm going to double that just to make sure it stays. Okay. And we can cut that off later if you want. Alright. I'm going to take the other end, if I can find it. Where's the other end? There we go. Okay. The end with the little tip on it. Okay. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to go in. I'm just going to go right in. Alright, and pull it through, just like a sewing card. I think most of you guys have done that. Okay. And pull it through. Okay. I'm going to push it in. Go to the next hole and pull it through. Okay, I'm going to push it in and pull it through. Okay, I'm just going to go all the way around. Go through every hole. Okay, just go around and around. Okay, just going to push it through. I'm always going through the front. Okay, going through the front. Get kind of a loopy thing here. And you're just going to keep going all the way around. And I would make it kind of tight, but just be careful. Don't pull it too hard, or you might rip the paper. Okay. I'm just going to keep going around and around. All right. Almost there. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna kind of pull away, but I'm always going through the top. Okay, always gotta do the same stitch. Okay, always through the top. Almost done. You should have plenty of string, and I thought the kind of multicolored one was pretty, kind of a rainbow yarn. Okay, and when we get to have, sometimes it'll kind of catch up on you, but you see, looks pretty nice, huh? Yeah, that looks pretty good. So I'm always going through the top. Okay. Always through the top. Through the top. And through the top. I'm going. Alright, almost there. Okay, so when you got maybe, see I got like, can you see that? I got like 3 holes left. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up now. And you can put in your beads. Okay? Now I'm going to put in a couple of these colored beads in here. Okay, I'm just going to put a couple in. I'm going to put them in right in that opening. Just pour all of them in. And if you want to use something else, just make sure it can't use rice or beans because they're on the small side. That's why I gave you the beans. Okay, I just put them right through the top. Enough so I got a good shake. And now I'm going to close it up. Okay, I'm going to finish my sewing here. Okay. I'm going to go all the way to my knot that I tied on the first one. Okay. You see, I'm sorry if there's glare. Okay. And I'm going to go through that hole again. Okay. I'm going to go through that hole again. Now, if you want it to hang, I don't know, I'm going to go back over one more because I want it to hang. Okay. So I went through another hole, and then I'm going to go maybe over, just over like here. Okay. Yep. So, and then however big you want your string. Okay, so I'm going to go maybe about there. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a knot again. So I'm going to go through this again. And I'm going to tie a knot right in there. Okay. And I'm going to tie a double knot just to be on the safe side. Okay. Just so it doesn't slip. If you want, you could put a little glue maybe where that knot is so it doesn't fall out. But there you go. Your little shaker thing. And you can make an apple, you can make a pumpkin, you can make a silly face or something if you want. Whatever you want to do. All right, have fun everybody.